Hi guys, this is another edition of Lee's Thoughts, and today a company is partnered with me and sent me a product and paid me to do a review. So let's get on with that. I have in my hands here a laser hair removal device, and it has 9 intensity levels. It comes with just shy of 1 million laser flashes. That's a lot of laser flashes. And it works with it looks like it mostly works with darker hair colors. Well, okay, it works with brown to black. Well, there's a chart on here, and I know on Amazon you want to look at that chart, but it looks like it's in the light to medium brown to black stage hair colors. So you definitely want to pay attention to that chart. It's on it, and it does show on Amazon too when you check that link. So make sure you have the right box. There are other laser hair removers, but make sure you get the right one. Okay. And it says that you use 8 weeks as a complete treatment. Start 1 to 4 weeks. Treat twice a week for the first 1 to 4 weeks. And in between 5 to 8 weeks, hair falls out naturally and regrowth is inhibited. Maintenance after 8 weeks. Continue to your needs. Use every 1 to 2 months. So that sounds pretty cool. So let's open it up and see what we have. Let's see. The box is very nice. Looks like it got a little bit dented in shipment. I'm trying to do it wrong. That's the problem. Oh, very nice box. Just flips open like that. All right. So that is the unit here. Very sleek looking unit. And they have asked myself to use it, and I will probably do it on my back because I do have that unsightly man back hair. So I will probably use it on my back, and then my wife is going to use it also in some area of her body that she's going to show. So we are going to actually show you how it works. But let's see what else we have in this box. We have a user's manual. We have a quick guide. And then we have, let's see, what do we have? In one box we have goggles and a razor. So you must have to, maybe you have to shave first. And then there's goggles to use because it is a laser, so you probably have to use goggles when you're using it. And then we have, it's just a power adapter. So there's a power cord. But it's a nice box. I mean, if someone in your family needs a gift, someone who wants laser hair removal and you don't want to go to a place to get hair removal, let's see how it works. All right, here we are. We have it plugged in, and my beautiful wife is going to be the subject here right now. So we've got it plugged in, and we've got it turned on, and we actually have tried it out one flash. So you turn it on, and then you turn it to hair removal, which is the HR, and then you hold this for 2 seconds, and it gets ready for a flash. All right, and now she's going to do it on her own.
On.
All right, now my wife is going to do some of my hair on my back.
And you'll notice he has a tattoo over here, and you don't do it over tattooed areas.
Okay. So I think we can say that was pretty darn easy.
It was really cool.
I would say thumbs up.
Absolutely. It's going to be neat.
Pretty easy.